How to add a product to your store in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a particular product or a generalized product, any type of product, I mean by that, to your Hostinger Website Builder or your Hostinger store. It is going to be a very simple step and also a very easy method. So you are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and from here, you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard of your Hostinger account. Once you are here, we are going to head over the left side of the screen so we can choose the website that we want to add it to. So we are going to click on websites, websites list, and then we're going to choose one of the websites. Make sure that you have a store added to your website. How we can make sure of that or distinguish that store, you're going to see basically or obviously a manage store button, which is going to be characterized with a cart. So if you do not have here a button of the manage store and you see here dashboard instead, that means that you need to click on edit website and then you're going to add your store. I'm going to show you here a little example. So we are going to get rid of this problem if it will occur. Now we are on the website. We're going to see this specific card with the plus sign, which is in our case manage store. In your case, if you do not have a store, you're going to see it is going to be named add store. And then you're going to add normally your store. So once we are here, we're going to head over the specific page of the product adding. So we have here products. Click on here. It will open up the store manager in an external page, which is going to be this. It is going to be the same here. We have here different methods to add over the store manager, but it is going to be very simple. Use it how you want. Now we are going to head over the products. You're going to see here some example products because Hostinger will not let you without a simple or a sample products. Click on add product. And from here, we're going to see physical products, digital products, services, donations, appointments, and gift cards. So depending on the type of the product that you want to add, here we have some categories. You can go ahead and choose whatever you want from these type of products, and then you are going to start adding up the information. For example, and for starters, we're going to use physical products. You're going to have here the product, introduction, of course. You have here the choice to make the product visible or hidden. Of course, we are going to make it visible. If you are going to hide it, that means that you have some modification to do, or you do not want to make that product right away visible. You're going to upload some images, and also we have the AI feature that has been added to Hostinger Website Builder, which is going to be the AI assistant. So basically, based on the image that you are going to upload, it is going to give it a title, a subtitle, and also a description. So, if you are going to do things manually, here fill up these specific spaces. Title, subtitles, description. For the type or the pricing, you're going to have here the pricing of, for example, I don't know, here we are going to put a simple price. You can have here a discount price. Also, you can add the SKU codes, and then you're going to make it like that. So, the weight, you're going to be free if you're going to put it or not mention it. You can track or do not track the quantity. It is going to be up to you. If it is going to be a physical product, please make sure that you are going to track the quantity. So here, as you can see, we have the button of hide add to back button. So we are not going to make that product sellable. So here we are going to set up here some additional information or section that you want to talk more about the store policies or more about the fabrics of the products or how you can sell and the returns and etc. So for the options, it is going to be the variants. So you can go ahead and put some sizes, colors, materials, and etc. And these are going to be also an editable options. So you can make here a different option for or a different price for a different option. For example, here we have custom field. If you are going to be interested in making the engravations or personalized product or engraving, let's say design products, you are going to make it mandatory. And then you are going to let here the title for the description and also for the visitors to make their own. The category, you can go ahead and head over here and select the category or create some categories to organize your products. In here, we haven't created any categories yet. You can go ahead and leave the product and head over to category, create your own category in here, put it a name, assign a product, and here you go. Basically, that is how you can add a product, a physical product. For digital products, it is going to be the same, but you're going basically to upload the file or the necessary file so the visitors will get after they have bought the product up, let's say here, uploaded files, or they will get a download link. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.